Hello, I'm Doris Breckbiel, educator and overlock specialist at Bernette International. And this is the B64 Airlock from Bernette. Airlock, as the name says, this machine has air threading inside. Air threading for the loopers can be found inside the looper cover. In order to use the air threader, I have to activate the air threader connector to connect the pipes. Upon turning the hand wheel, the pipes close. This makes the air threader motor or the automatic air threader active. To thread the loopers, I have to pull approx half a meter of thread and thread the first centimeter into the air threader nozzle. Make sure the thread is not tangling somewhere. While I press the button, notice how fast my thread comes out of the looper eye. Same, of course, for the lower looper. That's how fast it can go. For sewing, I need to deactivate the air threader. That also only allows me to close the looper cover. But before I close, please notice this machine has the most often used accessories and tools inside the looper cover, such as a Bernina tweezers, a needle assortment, and also the manual needle threader. And, of course, a threading diagram featuring the same color code as we have on the machine. Air threader is not all the machine has. As you can see, it also comes with a knee lifter that allows us to lower the presser foot with the knee lifter and also to raise it temporarily. And, as you've seen, this machine features a free arm that eases sewing tubular items or circular items easily around the free arm. But it not also features a free arm. Of course, I can close my sewing area to a flat bed, and it comes standard with a slide-on table. That extends my sewing space to the left. Not only to the left, I have a generous sewing space. Also to the right, I have a well-lit, bright sewing space. 5 bright LED lights illuminate my sewing area. Let's do a tour around the machine. On the left side, we have presser foot pressure and also a thread cutter that cuts the threads and the chains. On top, we have 4 individual thread tensions. This machine sews 16 different overlock stitches with 4, 3 and 2 threads. And all the stitches and thread tensions are individually adjustable. Also on top we find the handle to carry the machine. On the right side we have the manual presser foot lifter, stitch length differential feed and hand wheel, and a pin cushion. This machine also comes standard with a cutoff spin. And you may have noticed MTC. This machine features MTC fine-tuning for the looper thread. The looper threads can be easily fine-tuned from the front of the machine while sewing. Also, here on the stitch plate you find the roll time selection lever, and the cutting width is at the front of the machine. This is about it for the machine. It sews its 16 stitches up to 1300 stitches a minute, but it also sews as slow as only 300 stitches a minute. That means I can control the sewing speed very fine when it comes to sewing demanding or tricky projects. Let's talk about standard and optional accessories. Standard packed with the machine comes the quick start guide, consisting of 16 pages that covers threading, settings, but also maintenance and oiling of the machine. And also with the machine comes the stitch overview showing the 16 different stitches and how to thread respectively to set them for sewing. The other accessories that are not stored inside the machine come in a small box. And if you know the B40 series, you will be pleased to hear that the optional accessories, the overlock feet, are also compatible with the B64 Airlock. They come either in the set or individually packed. Let's talk about the campaign for the B64 Airlock. The campaign features this stylish dress. This is a wrap with open shoulder sleeves. The front is decorated with a flat lock sewn with woolly nylon in the upper looper. Other than that, it's very easy to sew and has a really special look. The dress, its pattern, a written instruction and also a how-to video is available on the My Bernette website. There's not only a how-to video for the dress, there's also a dozen instructional videos for the B64 Airlock on threading, setting the machine for the different stitches, and also for maintenance and oiling. Want to do more? Want to have your hands on and try it yourself? Do not hesitate to contact us.
Bernette, for all my ideas.